Alright gang, so here's an update. Here's one of my yard haunt walls disassembled currently, and one of my newest homemade DIY skellies from Home Depot. I got a LED light up here at the top, some chicken wire, 2x4s. I'd show you that how I assembled this, but I'm not going to show you guys in this video. These are skids, some pallets, two that I stacked on top of each other and then just screwed together. And been working on this guy. Got some blood. Do some of some weed screen over him or her, you know. Depends on the scene that I decide to put this piece in. Got my EVA foam scarecrow that's been yuckified. Another set piece, a light, some sticks up on the top. And the current piece that we are in. We are standing in our yard haunt maze. And if you enjoy this video, you should hit the subscribe button now. Here's my cemetery. Got my tombstones. My human skin. Little pumpkin lantern stand. Monkey skull. Lighting. And that's it.